Hi everyone! In this quick video, we'll look at how to set up an effective bug tracking system and turn it into an actionable task list. Even with a well-organized Notion database, it's easy for tasks to get lost if bugs are not connected to a daily workflow. Having an actionable, comprehensive task list ensures that nothing gets overlooked. Deadlines are met in time, and you always know what to focus on for today. Let's start with setting up a Notion bug tracker. An easy way to organize bugs is by creating a database in Notion. Add columns like bug name for a short description of the issue, status with statuses like in testing, planned, in development, on hold, or resolved, priority with high, medium, and low options, or any other you prefer, assigned to set who is responsible, reported by to fix who discovered the bug, due date for the optional target fix date, steps to reproduce for the details on how to replicate the issue. These are just the basics. You can also include columns like related features, screenshots, environment, and more, depending on your needs. If you don't want to build from scratch, there are plenty of ready-made Notion bug tracker templates. We included the link in the video description. Once your bugs are in Notion, the next step is to connect them to a workflow where they become actionable tasks, with time estimates, progress tracking, and priority planning, all in one place. The app that transforms your static bug list into a living task system that helps you easily accomplish all of your tasks for today with deep focus. That's where Blitzit comes in. Blitzit is a task management app that turns your Notion bug tracker into an organized workflow, fully integrated with your routine. You can set time estimates for tasks, use timers and focus mode to stay productive, and keep everything synced with Notion. This means you always know exactly what to focus on today. Let's see how you can integrate your Notion database with Blitzit. Go to Blitzit and open the Integrations menu. Choose Notion and log in with your account. Well, as you can see, I'm already logged in. Now, pick the workspace and the database you want to connect. In this case, your bug tracker. Click Allow Access. Now you have your Notion account connected with Blitzit. Click Link List and select the list you want your Notion database to be connected with. I already created a list named Bug Tracker. Click Link now. In your Blitzit list, click the Notion icon at the top right, choose Add Database, select the one you need, and hit Update Databases. From there, pick the tasks you want to import and click Add Selected Cards. Here you go! When starting your workday, you can select the bugs you want to work on or switch to All Lists view to see everything planned for today. Hit the Blitz Now button to start working with deep focus. You can also use the floating timer mode to keep track of time without distractions. Now, the bugs don't stand a chance. Whenever new bugs are added in Notion, just click Refresh in this pop-up to bring them into Blitzit. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to check out the Notion bug tracker templates in the description and explore our tutorials to get the most out of Blitzit. Happy tracking!